I found a free website where all AI tools are available in one place. I got some free credits to try it when I signed up, but I created way more images and videos than those credits should allow. How? I will show you that hack later in this video. When you open this website for the first time, tap on the Create New File button. A blank workspace opens up. Now just right-click anywhere on the canvas. And look at this. AI image models, video models, editing tools, all right here. Let's start by generating an image. If you can't see your favorite model here, you can search for it as well. Nano Banana Pro is also available here. Select any model you like. Now right-click again and create a prompt node. Then connect the prompt node to the Nano Banana node. If you want, you can also upload an image here as a visual reference. Then connect the image node to your AI image model node. Now tap on the Run Model button. Wait for 2-3 minutes, and your image output will be ready. Now, if you want to change anything in this image, you can do that as well. Just choose any Edit Image model. I'm using the Nano Banana 2 model again. Now connect the Generate Image node to the Edit Image node. You also need to create a prompt node to specify what you want to change. I'm just changing a hashtag, but you can modify or remove anything from the image as well. There are more image tools available as well. You can simply search for any tool you want. You can enhance images, remove backgrounds, and even replace them. There's much more you can do than I can explain here. One of the best use cases is that you can run multiple AI image models here using the same prompt. Let's move to AI video models. Create a video node and connect it with the image and prompt nodes. I've created 4 AI video nodes to test which one gives the best result. However, you may notice some nodes I can't run because I don't have enough credits. Now, how do I generate videos from the other nodes? To do that, I tap the Share button. Then I choose the third option and tap the Copy Link button. Now I'll log out of the Figma account. I'll log in again with another email account. Next, I log out of AI website account as well and then tap Log in with Figma to sign in with the new account. As you can see, this is a fresh account. I go to my shared link, and when the website opens, you'll see the Duplicate to My Files option. Tap on it. Now, all the previous account's generations are available in my new account, and I have 150 credits again. That's how you can use the Weavy AI website. There's more to explore, which I'll cover in the next video, so stay tuned. I'll see you in the next one.